Cascade Mountain Tech low-profile camp chair is a comfortable, compact, and convenient seat that's ideal for a variety of uses. This chair sits roughly 4 inches off the ground, making it compliant with outdoor concert and festival regulations. Its wide feet and low profile are great for sandy beaches, and its compact design makes it easy to pack along on camping trips. The low-profile camp chair is made with a strong steel and aluminum frame that supports up to 250 pounds. The seat is constructed with breathable mesh fabric, durable nylon, and cushioned armrests, making it a sturdy yet comfortable place to kick back and relax. When it's time to pack things up, the chair folds up quickly and stows into a handy storage bag with a shoulder strap for easy carrying.